Welcome back to another video. Today, I've got a special announcement. And before I say anything else, I want to first just say that this is something that I didn't think that I would be saying when I first started this channel. It's never been my goal to reach a certain number. It's never been my goal to reach a certain amount of likes or anything like that. I create these videos and I have been creating these videos for you guys as the viewers to be able to learn something new so you guys can see how the bumpers are built and maybe try your hand at doing it yourself, as well as sharing the experience with you guys. As of today, we have hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel. And while in the grand scheme of things, that may not seem like a crazy amount of people, it brings me joy because you guys enjoy these videos, because you guys enjoy the builds. You share them with your family, you share them with your friends, you share them within your communities and your groups. You'll email me or message me or DM me telling me how much you enjoyed the video and how much it helped you create something too, as well as how much you just enjoyed the entire process when we build something from start to finish. Without dragging this out too much, I'm very excited to keep making videos for you guys. I'm very excited to keep creating these bumpers and keep creating this content for you guys because you guys are enjoying it so much. Because by you guys enjoying it and you guys watching these videos, it makes me happy too. Today, we've got this Nissan Xterra in the shop. This video is not going to contain any of this build. If I do a video for this Nissan, obviously it'll be on this channel. Aside from that, make sure that you guys are keeping up with the social media pages on Instagram and Facebook so you can see more of the behind the scenes process of builds like this. And now that the holiday season is over, the consistency of the posts is going to go back to what it was a little while ago, right before Thanksgiving and Christmas and all that stuff. But I usually post pictures of the process of each build on my story, as well as Instagram and Facebook as they're connected. I'll post in progress pictures, mock-up pictures when a vehicle first arrives, and obviously the finished product, as well as linking these videos to those platforms as well. I've got a little bit of work ahead of me. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, for watching all of the videos. Like I say every single time, for supporting the channel, supporting this business, and it makes me really, really happy that you guys enjoy what I do as much as I enjoy what I do as well. I will see you guys in the next video.